Where are the... Put your hands on. Where are the M&Ms? Thomas, I am looking at the M&Ms. Here you go. You can have them. Yeah. Eat those M&Ms. See M&Ms?
The M&Ms?
Thomas. Look that way.
Thomas, you have to wait for Daddy, or you have to give the M&Ms to Mommy.
Mayo.
Hi, Thomas.
Thomas, I am looking at the M&Ms.
M&Ms.
You want to get the M&Ms? Very good. Very good. That's very good, Thomas. One more time. And then we'll do it tomorrow. Or maybe not. You think Mama should play this game?
Yes.
You think so? Okay. Well, first you. Look, I have the M&Ms. I'm going to hide the M&Ms. Okay.
Are you going to turn him around? Thomas?
No. Thomas, look. Hey, stop. Thomas, I am looking at the M&Ms. Wait.
Make him do it again.
Okay, we're going to try it again.